So today we have some amazing questions regarding visualization. So let's start with the first one. Nitin is asking, whenever I try to visualize good things, my present condition starts playing in my mind and the strong feeling that I am not yet there. I think this problem must be faced by everyone who is too logical in life. And sir, please make a detailed video on how to avoid negative thoughts during visualization. Great question, Nitin, and thank you for being part of our tribe. So first of all, when we are visualizing getting negative images, this is not just about the problem of visualization. This is very common in law of attraction, that the focus is on the lack. Like many a times we have been trained from childhood to focus on what we don't want, what we don't want, what we don't want. So that's why all the no, or the things that are not right in our life, the things that are not right in front of us, or the things we don't want, those kind of words and those kind of images are fed in our mind. So that's why when you try to visualize all your current situation, all the things which are wrong, all the things which are not right, all the things which you don't want show up in your mind, and there is no space for all the positive things that you want to manifest. So what you have to do is you have to feed your mind with positive words and positive images. Positive words and positive images relevant to the manifestation that you want. So only when you feed those positive words and positive images, then only you can able to visualize, and then only you can able to manifest. As human, we decipher the whole world with two major things. One is the voice that is in our head and the images that we have in our head, right? So even when we see some positive and negative situation, how we react, how we perceive, it depends upon what kind of words and images we have. Like there is a negative situation and someone see it, it's a threat. Someone sees it as a bad experience. Someone sees it as an opportunity. Someone sees it as an opportunity to help others. Someone sees it as an opportunity to take something out of it. So it very much dependent upon what we have inside our head. So what we have to feed is we have to feed a lot more positive images and thoughts and feelings towards this positive things that you want to visualize or you want to manifest more, because your visualization is a reflection of the beliefs that you are already having. So what you have to do, let's suppose if you are visualizing money, or let's suppose you are manifesting money or your new job or business success or relationship or good health or anything, start doing affirmation towards it, positive affirmation. As the positive affirmation you'll start doing, positive words will go inside your head. And deliberately you have to stop using negative words or words which are lack towards it. Then collect some pictures or start watching some videos which have positive images or positive visuals toward this kind of manifestation or success. Start having some images. Maybe you can create a vision board and put some pictures which are positive relevant to this area. And avoid as much negative images that you can regarding this manifestation or this area of life. Now there are certain things which is already in front of you. You cannot avoid them, but deliberately you can feed some positive images whenever you can, maybe through some videos, through your mobile, through your laptop, through something you can feed. The more positive image you can feed, the more positive space it will take, and that's where when you visualize, you can able to visualize those positive things. Now think about it. If I'll ask you to, if I'll say, don't think about an elephant, what is going inside your mind? The image of an elephant. Only when I ask you to think about a beautiful horse, now you have some images of horses inside your mind. But now that horse can be white or brown or black or in any other color. But if I particularly say, think about a white, beautiful horse. Now the image in your head is that white, beautiful horse. Where is the elephant? The elephant is gone. So, same way, you have to feed more and more positive images and more positive words towards your manifestation. When you feed more positive images and more positive words toward your manifestation, that's when you can able to visualize it. That's when you can able to manifest it. You have seen all these people, all this rags to riches story. Like some people are born in slum or poor family, and they become extremely rich over their lifetime. How do they do it? And why there is other people in the same slum or same poverty, why they do not achieve it? Because while everyone else is focusing on the poverty, focusing on the problems, focusing on the lack, focusing on the poor people in front of them, and whether they are dissatisfied or whether they are hating them or whatever, they are focusing on them. But the person who is becoming rich, his or her focus is on creating wealth, on money, on rich life. They always visualize and dream of becoming a big home, big life, big cars, big business, more money, better life, and all. So even if they are living in poverty, they are feeding their mind. And when they are seeing rich people, when they are seeing big buildings, when they are seeing big cars, they are getting excited, they are getting happy, and they are saying, one day I'll have it, one day I'll have it. And then they look for opportunities to earn money, they look for opportunity to start a business, they look for opportunity to work with someone who can pay them more. And then slowly they feed more and more and more positive images, and eventually they create that positive life, they create that rich life, they create that wealthy life. Whereas the other people who are just maybe in the even in the same family, maybe in the same neighborhood, maybe just their neighbor, they are focusing on, oh, here this is not right, here this is not right, here this is not right, and they curse their luck, they curse their God, they curse everything, and they stay there. Or even if they grow, they get just little better, not here. So where you want to go in life, whether in profession, personal life, social life, in any life, you have to feed new images and new words, positive images and positive words related to those manifestation, and that's when you can able to manifest it. This is the key for transformation. And anyone who was struggling like Nitin in having negative visualization, this is the key for you. And Nitin, I believe you got an eye-opener insight here. If yes, let me know in the comment. Let's go to the next question. Next one is Suchitra is asking, can I visualize more than one things? Yes, you can visualize, but if you are a beginner, I would highly recommend to focus on one particular thing while visualization. Or if you have been struggling in visualization, also focus on one thing or one area of life. Only when you are consistently visualizing and consistently manifesting, then you expand your vision to more things, more areas. Because if you are not yet consistent with visualization, if your visualization not yet strong or not yet showing you result, then focusing on too many things will only reduce your focus, and you won't see, and at a point you will doubt, or nothing is getting manifested, and maybe you will stop visualizing. Next question. Next is from Simi. Simi, hi AJ, I have doubt about how to manifest. Let's say I need something, but I need money to get that something. So I have to visualize that me getting money to get the things, or visualize that I get the thing I want. Interesting question, Simi. I guess some of you may be getting confused here. So first of all, when you are desiring something to manifest, almost for all kind of manifestation except some the personal manifestation, except for relationship and health, every other manifestation need an exchange of energy in terms of money, right? So when you are visualizing or manifesting anything, focus should be on the outcome, focus should be on the manifestation, not on the money. But along with that, if you know that the money is not there, if you don't know where the money will come, during visualization, focus on the things. But rest of the day, whenever possible, focus on strengthening your money vibration. Focus on strengthening the money vibration so that you will start attracting money actual. And that you can do with money affirmation. We have some amazing money affirmation on our channel, money meditation, being grateful for money, whatever money you have, be grateful. And do not curse money, Do not hate money, do not complain for money. Even if you don't have the money yet for this manifestation, but do not keep saying that, oh, I don't have money, I don't have money, or I have just little money, I don't know from where it is going to come, from how it is going to come. When you do that, you push away the money from you. You have to be grateful for whatever money you have and be open for receiving more. Be open for receiving opportunity to earn more. Sometimes money comes directly from someone else. Sometimes money comes in the form of an opportunity. Maybe it's a job, maybe it's a business opportunity, maybe it's a work opportunity, and you do it and money comes to you. So money can come in various forms. You should be open for it and your vibration should be aligned. And even if you are manifesting anything or not, one thing I will always recommend is everyone should focus sometime every single day focusing on strengthening their money vibration, because money is the most important energy which makes your life better and which makes everything in your life better. Only when you have more and more money you can do so much good for yourself, so much good for your loved ones. So every day spend some time in manifesting money, strengthening your money vibration. It will really help you in your all kind of manifestation. But when it's come to visualizing the outcome, while visualization, focus on the outcome, focus on the manifestation. I believe you got the clarity. Now that's all for today in this episode. And if this answers well eye opener for you and insightful, do let me know in the comment and like this video, comment and share it with someone who will be benefited from this video. If you are part of any WhatsApp group, any Telegram group on this manifestation law of attraction, do share these videos in those groups. And if you are not yet following me on Instagram, check the Instagram link and join me on Instagram. And stay motivated, stay awesome. Thank you so much.